Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Yes, engine size affects performance. Larger engines typically produce more power and torque, offering better acceleration and hauling capabilities. This is because they can burn more fuel and generate more combustion at once, translating to increased force on the vehicle's drivetrain. Conversely, smaller engines may be more efficient, focusing on fuel economy and lower emissions. Performance isn't solely determined by engine size though. Factors like weight, aerodynamics, and technology, such as turbocharging, also play a critical role in a vehicle's overall performance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.